So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new Dragon City account. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Dragon City app. As you can see right now it's running in the background. So from there you can see the beginning of Dragon City. So this is how it will basically look once you open it up and you finish the tutorial. So from here I'm using an account that's usually used as a maybe guest account or a default account, whatever you may call it. So if you want to actually connect your account so you can use it across different platforms, you can just open up the settings. And on here, once you click on settings, you can right away see account, game, community, events, then support, as well as delete. So from here, you can see sign in with Apple. You can connect with your Facebook and you can click on change player. So right now I'm using an account that's linked just with this device. So if I open it up on any other platform or device, I won't be able to actually sign in. But if you're using an iOS device, I suggest you use it to connect with your Apple ID. So it even suggests it once you open it up. So you can find it on here. If you click on sign in with Apple, if you click on connect with Facebook, which is again quite a good option, you can use your Facebook profile and make it much more easier on yourself every time you log in. So you just use your Facebook login information and you can right away change player from there as well. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Dragon City or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.